Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica and today's video is on this sparkly chocolate strawberry look perfect for Valentine's Day. I also wanted to try some Douyin or Chinese TikTok makeup techniques and I'm really happy with how this makeup look turned out, so if you want to see how I did it, just keep watching. First, I'm applying a matte eyeshadow as a base shade. This shadow actually has small glitters in it, which I think is so pretty. Next, I'm using a light brown pencil liner to create the shape of the wing. To sharpen the edge of the wing, I'm using a brown liquid liner. Taking a darker brown pencil, I'm going to fill in the bottom of the liner and the waterline. Blend that together using the light brown liner. Next, I'm going to outline my double eyelid with a pink pencil and add in dimension with a brown eyeshadow. I've been doing this a lot recently and I love how it so subtly elevates the look. This would be perfect for someone who's afraid to play with color since you can't really see it when your eyes are open, but it peeks out when you look down or close your eyes. I'm using the same pink pencil on my lower waterline to extend my eyes. And then I'm going to extend my lower lash line as well with brown liner and eyeshadow. I wanted to try the under eye smiling makeup, so I'm emphasizing my under eye fat. You can do this by smiling with your eyes and contouring where your eye puffs out. Next, let's move on to lashes. After curling them, I'm applying a burgundy volumizing mascara before separating the lashes into sections with a tweezer. Let's do this with the lower lashes as well. I decided I wanted the lower liner to be a little bit darker, so I'm quickly doing that. Next, I'm applying individual lashes to the mascara sections I created earlier. This separated lash style is really popular on Douyin right now. I think it's so natural and would be really flattering, especially for smaller eyes that don't have as much lid space. Moving on to the face, I'm first priming with a setting spray. I recently switched up my base routine and started mixing the new NARS Light Reflecting Foundation with my Too Faced Super Coverage Concealer in a 2:1 ratio. The NARS foundation is more on the liquidy side and the Too Faced concealer is very thick, so mixing them gives me the perfect consistency. I also really love the coverage of this combo. For concealer, I'm using that same foundation concealer combo but in a 1:2 ratio this time. Let's lightly set the face with loose powder before contouring. I wanted to get more of the baby face look today, so I only contoured in these key areas. I also used a light powder to highlight the hollow of my cheek to sort of reverse contour and make my face seem fuller. Next, I'm applying a pastel pink blush in a rolling motion across my cheeks and nose. Rolling it on like this helps press the blush in and makes it last longer. This pink blush I'm using is a recent favorite from Revlon. It lasts a really long time and I think it's the perfect pink for my skin tone. I'm also applying the blush to my lips to give it a blushed, pouty look. Moving on to lip liner, I'm using my favorite lip pencil from NYX in the shade Natural. I'm layering a lighter pink buxom lip liner on top of that and blending it in with the attached lip brush. To get an upturned lip shape, I'm using an eyebrow pencil to pull the outer corners up. Next, I'm using the Nukaja Love Swipe lipstick in shade Call Me, which is a berry red. I like applying a little bit and then blending it out to get a softer pink shade. This has become my favorite lip product recently. It's matte, but it actually gives a blurring effect instead of drying out your lips. Let's top that off with the Dior Lip Glow Oil in shade Coral. And then I'm going to highlight the tip of my nose and inner corners. I felt like the eyes could be more defined, so I lined the inner corners. You can see this makes my eyes look a little bit longer. I'm using a brightening setting powder on my brows to make them lighter and more cool toned. And finally, Douyin looks are usually super sparkly, so I'm applying glitter chunks to my eyes and lips. And this is the completed look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a lovely Valentine's or Galentine's Day. If you like this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you liked me, remember to follow me on all of my social media, which will be linked in the description box down below. And I will see you in my next video.